Welcome, and in today's video we'll be making puff puff, and it's not just any puff puff, it's a soft puff puff. It's a puff puff recipe you want to try. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using, and I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients first. So one tip I'm going to share about getting the perfect puff puff is to always sieve your flour 2 to 4 times. Yes, sieving your flour 2 to 4 times makes your flour to be light, thereby causing your puff puff to be really soft. And another tip is, do not use too much yeast. Yes, if you use too much yeast, your puff puff will come out smelling yeasty and tasting yeasty, and I'm sure you do not want that to happen. So you need to refrain from the yeast. Another tip is, do not overproof your puff puff batter. I would recommend a minimum of 35 minutes and a maximum of 60 minutes. I'm going to proof this for 40 minutes. Yes, I'll keep this in a very cool, warm environment, and I'll proof it for 30 to 40 minutes, a maximum of 40 minutes. So the method I like to use, I would coat my hands with oil so that my batter can slide easily. You can equally coat your palm with water, whichever you want. Water works well too, but I'll be using oil. So at this point, I'll be flipping back and forth just to get it. You do not leave your puff puff, because if you leave it, it might actually get burnt. You just need to be stirring. So I'll just keep on stirring using my keep stirring until I get the color that I want. Thanks for watching, and I do hope you get to try this recipe, and I would like to get your feedback.